In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to trade stocks on Revolut. So I'll show you how to buy stocks, how to sell stocks, as well as ETFs and commodities. And they even have a robo-advisor, and I'll go over what exactly that is. And I'll just show you exactly how you can use Revolut to invest in different types of securities. So first, obviously, you want to go and open up the Revolut app. From there, just head over into Invest in the bottom. And from within Invest, you don't need to add money right here. What you can simply do is click on Trade, and then here select what you want to trade, whether that's stocks, ETFs, commodities, CFDs, or even bonds. And as I mentioned, they also have a robo-advisor service. So if you scroll down, you can find the robo-advisor, and then they have different types of automated investing portfolios. For example, the bold stack right here. But in this example, I'm just going to buy a stock. So let's click on Trade, and then under stocks, you can find a bunch of stocks. They actually have a lot of them. They have 4,327 stocks, which is a very nice range. Now from here, just search for what you want to buy. For this example, I'll go with ASML. Then here you have different types. So for example, this has a dollar version and a euro version. Overall, it's pretty much the same. I'll go with the euro version since I use the euro personally. From there, you can also see financials, you have news, and even an order book, which is quite advanced. For this, you will often need to upgrade to view it. So they have a paid version where you also get lower fees. Can be worth it if you do a lot of trading. For this example, I'm just going to do a simple purchase, so a simple market buy. To do this, click on buy, and then choose how much you want to buy. Now the reason you didn't have to add money before is since here you can just buy it from your main account. So for example, I'll do 5 euros, and they make it super cheap. You can see including 0.01 euro fees, so it's only 1 cent in fees. But often if you trade more and you do more trades per month, then it will become more expensive, often about 1 euro per trade, unless you upgrade to one of their paid plans. Now you can see the minimum here is 1 euro and 1 cent, so you can start with investing just 1 euro plus the fee. But for this example, again, I'll do 5 euros. Now, if you click on the adjust icon next to review, you can even do a recurring buy. You can set a limit order or a stop order. So limit order is buy the stock if it falls to a lower price, and the stop order is if it rises to a higher price, buy it. So you can also do those if you want. I'm just going to do a market order. Sometimes if you do invest very often, it can be smart to do a limit order because then you have lower spreads usually. For this example, it doesn't really matter to me, so I'll just do a market order. So from there, click review. Then you have the overview with the price you're buying at, the traded value, the fees. Here, just click submit. And after you submit it, the order will be created. Now currently I think the markets are still closed, or as you can see, they are actually already open from 8 AM until 9 PM, which means the order has gone through. So now in my brokerage account, you can now see I own a very small portion of ASML stock. Now if I go back to the invest section right here, you can now see I have a little over 5 euros since I already had some money. But down here you can now see ASML holding, I have about 5 euros minus the fee in ASML. So that's how you can buy a stock. Now it works the same for gold, for CFDs, etc. If you then want to sell it, you can just click on the position, and then from there you can click sell. Then you can sell part of it, or you can just do all. And from there you can see the money will go to your investment account. If you then want to have it back in your normal balance to transfer somewhere else, you can then from there just withdraw it. I'll show you how to do that. Now here again, you can also do different order types. So they have limit order and stop order here as well. Just click review, submit, and here the fee is again 1 cent. So order has been created, the market is open, so it goes through pretty much instantly. And now you can see it is in euro instead of in ASML. And now as you can see, I have a little bit of dollar and a little bit of euro. So if I click withdraw and then brokerage account, for me it will first set it to dollars. So if I just do withdraw this to my normal balance, then now I can also withdraw the euro. If I click withdraw, brokerage account, and then euro, I can now also withdraw my euro. So then it will show back up here in home. So it goes from your stocks back to your personal. So that's really all you need to know to begin trading stocks on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.